Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the DNS IQ Soft Touch Car Wash at Super B Car Wash in Princeton, Texas, which is the Princeton site. And real quick, we're gonna unhitch the trailer. And today's my birthday, so we're doing a birthday car wash video.
I'm gonna park right here, and we will unhitch and be right back with you.
Yep, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, we just unhitched the trailer, guys. So let's go to the entrance. And right now we're doing it in the snow.
Do our listeners know that it's your birthday?
Yeah, I already told them that a few minutes ago.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Yep, it's an IQ Soft Touch.
I wish I had a good IQ. It's a joke. A lot of the people will understand it.
Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and pay real quick. Yep, and there go the Hamilton Gold Line Auto Cashier pay station right there, and you gotta fold your mirrors in real quick.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, even though I did mine. There we go.
Okay.
Now you roll up the window.
Show them what this looks like?
Yep, again, one last look.
Alright.
Okay, and there go the menu.
What do we say when we're gonna do something?
Let's do this. That's the menu.
Let's do this. In the snow. Did you tell them about the snow?
Yeah.
Can you see the snow?
Yeah.
Snowing in Dallas. Who'd have thought it?
Yeah. We're a little bit outside of Dallas.
Is there rails? Okay.
And it doesn't have a please drive forward voice though.
That's okay.
Yeah, but we can see the light. Okay. Let's see if we can stop right here. Hold on.
Yep.
Yep.
It just doesn't tell you to stop.
Yeah.
They need to fix that.
They need to fix the light at least, because it's burnt out.
Yep. All right. Our first car wash in the snow.
Yeah. I guess y'all shouldn't try because that's wasting money, guys. Same with doing it in the rain. You remember when we went to Buc-ee's in the rain?
Yeah, but we did it because
we want to check it out and see how big the tunnel is.
And it's your birthday.
Yeah, for today. But the other time when we went to Buc-ee's, we decided to see how big it is. Like
that was the longest tunnel I ever saw.
Yeah.
Was Buc-ee's a conveyor?
Yeah, and I think we did it in the rain that way so we can just see how big it is without a car in front of us.
Yeah, it was giant.
Yeah. And even though we really needed the wash because it's dirty. Like, it's very dirty. Like, super dirty. Even though we're on our way back from the small country town. Looks like that's the blasters, I think. Oh, the top brush is doing the front. I see. And this system's the same as the one in Lake Worth, Texas, across the street from the Chicken Express. Looks like the brushes are doing the back right now. Looks like the top brush is doing the tailgate right now. It's touching the tailgate. Okay, there it is.
What do we think so far?
I think
is this an old system?
Seems like it's probably an older DNS IQ.
I hope they have a timer for the dryer. Otherwise, I'm going to get my stopwatch timer ready.
Yeah,
they're generally 90 seconds.
Yeah, I think we can get it ready once the spot frequency turns on.
Yeah.
Okay, the machine's going back. See what's it gonna do next. Oh, the top brush is going upwards. So that's why it stopped for a minute. Oh, it's because it doesn't want to touch the tailgate while it stopped. Okay, now it's going up.
What's it doing right now?
Okay, the top brush went up.
Did it just stop?
Hold on.
Like malfunction?
I hope not.
Well, it happens sometimes.
Yeah.
And it's okay if it does.
Oh, it's doing the rinse.
Doing?
Right now it's spraying, so it's coming forward. It's a little weird on how they stay back like this long.
Yeah, okay, is it moving forward now?
Yeah, we just didn't know what it was doing.
Sure.
Okay. Okay, here comes the rain bar.
Okay. So it's okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, we just didn't know what was happening. Since it was our first
It had
time.
me concerned.
Yeah. But at that point, I think the top brush was going up too slow. And then the machine slowly moved back. Oh, exit slowly. Dryer runs for 45 seconds. Even though we're not doing it now, but I saw a sign. Dryer runs for 45 seconds. It's on the right side.
Oh, 45 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got to adjust down to 45 seconds so we try to get it even.
Yeah.
As much as we can.
Yeah, sorry about that. That was the ringtone. Hopefully it didn't copyright the video, but if it does, I'll edit it out.
Okay, I turned your ringer off for now.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, another pass.
Well, you got the best wash, didn't you?
Yeah,
This ought to make it look really good.
yeah. but the top brush is doing the grill. I've never seen a soft touch DNS IQ do a double brush pass.
Yeah, we've been in here for a while, huh? So
Yeah.
we're getting our money's worth, right?
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yeah.
Looks like the brushes are doing the back right now. They're touching the tailgate. Oh, I see what you're doing. I think the top brush is just slowly going up.
Slowly what?
Going up.
Okay.
So we kind of thought it was malfunctioned. Yep, there go the top brush. It's going up.
Does that mean it's an older system?
It seems like it's slowly going up.
Yeah.
We just kind of thought it was malfunctioned the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now the rain bar is coming. It's spraying, now it's going forward. It's a little weird on how they set this up to where it stays back for a minute or two.
Yeah, it makes for a really long car wash.
Yeah. At least good thing there wasn't a long line.
Right. Now is the rain bar coming back through?
Yep, it's on the truck bed.
Okay.
This is a very slow machine.
Yeah.
But maybe that can do a good job at cleaning the car,
Is this
though.
the final pass?
Let's see if this is the spot-free rinse. Okay, I think you should get your stopwatch ready just in case. For 45 seconds, that's what it said on the sign.
Okay, 45 seconds. It's set.
Yeah, we'll start it once they turn on. Let's see if they're going to start in the back.
Okay.
Because we're just guessing this is part of the spot-free rinse. Okay, it's doing another rinse, so let's see.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this might be the final one and then the dryer.
Yeah. Maybe this thing probably goes slow that way so we can just clean the car really good.
Yeah.
Okay, now get the timer ready.
And start.
Dryer runs for 45 seconds. Thank you. Come again. Okay. Seems like the machine went all the way to the front, which means it's waiting for the next customer now. Now it's going back a little bit, which means now it's waiting for the next customer. Okay, there we go.
And that's it.
Yep. And there goes some manual bays, even though nobody's using it because
And the
it's snowing.
snow's coming down.
Yep, and there go some vacuums. And I'll show you the Super B logo while we hitch the trailer back up.
Okay. Of everything.
Yep, this is the front.
There's their logo. Is this kind of like the Super B car wash in Flower Mound?
Well, it's Flower Mound Speedy V.
Speedy B, okay.
Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was a DNS IQ Soft Touch Car Wash at Super B Car Wash Princeton site. Bye.